wood repair. I'm so glad you're back. Let's finish decorating the neighborhood. Tap here to keep playing. How could we solve the big problem of filling these two holes? You got it! Woohoo! You solved a really big problem. Jinjin loves flags. Break down this big problem. Start by filling one hole at a time. Add a shape on the bottom of the hole first. Oops! We need to add more shapes to fill this hole. Oh yeah! You solved the problem! Tap! Snout thinks there are lots of different ways we could fill these holes. Try filling one hole at a time. You filled all the holes. Another big problem. How can we fill these two holes? Yahoo! Thanks for helping us get across the road. Jinjin loves all these special decorations. Now let's decorate for Ellie. My friend Ellie. Here are some of her favorite things. Fire trucks, waffle stickers, streamers. What should we use to decorate the neighborhood? Waffle stickers. Ooh, more triangles. Let's use these shapes to fill these holes. We made it! Ellie loves waffle stickers. Which hole would you like to fill first? Yay! shapes to help us ride across. What do you think we can do to solve this big problem and fill these holes? Let's work it out. Add a shape on the bottom of the hole first. This shape is sticking out of the hole and I can't get across. Try a different shape. Oops, there's a shape sticking out, so I can't ride across. Try taking a shape away. If you want to remove that shape, you have to take out the shape on top first. Great problem solving! Tap! Wow! We're almost done! Can we solve this big problem one hole at a time? Yes! We made it all the way across the road! Awesome decorations! Ellie adores them! We made the neighborhood look extra special, and everyone's so happy! Tap this button if you want to decorate the neighborhood a whole new way!